Welcome back. And ahead of the all-important meeting with the Prime Minister, the Ladakh MP Jamyang Tshering Namgyal has made a huge statement against the Gupkar League. He's tweeted, and I quote, "We have not given any right to the Gupkar gang to speak on behalf of the people of Ladakh or about the land of Ladakh. Gupkar gang has nothing to do with Ladakh." Let's go across to Gursimran for more on this. Now, Gursimran, apart from this statement, what we've been hearing from, political as well as social leaders from Ladakh is that they perhaps would want to demand, a UT with the legislator. So give us a sense of what their demands are going to be.
We have to see these two things differently. First is that the Ladakh MP JT Namgyal, he has made it very clear that we haven't given any right to the Gupkar gang. He said in a tweet, and he said while speaking to Republic as well, that we haven't given any right to the Gupkar League to comment on the issues of Ladakh, as they have no stake here. Second important thing is that yes, the social and religious organizations, the apex body of Ladakh, which includes the political parties as well as the social and religious organizations, they are demanding the UT status with the legislature as well as the 6th schedule for the for betterment of people of Ladakh and the insecurity the people of Ladakh have about the jobs and the land issues. This is something else, and they had a series of meetings with the Home Minister Amit Shah as well, and G. Krishan Reddy is heading a committee as well, and their issues will be solved. So now they have made it very clear to the Gupkar League that you need not to speak for us, because we are a union territory. We have our own social leaders, we have on religious and political leaders who will take up the issue when and wherever necessary, and we are taking it up the matter with the union government. You need not to be a representative for the union government of India, because we know what is better for us, and this is really very important coming at a time when Farooq Abdullah is saying that we want a full statehood, we want Jammu Kashmir, Ladakh to be united again, and now this voice coming from the Ladakh that you please stay into your thing, you please stay to the union territory of Jammu and Kashmir, try not to come to the union territory of Ladakh, because people of here has given us mandate, not you people, and that is very visible, because the only seat from the Ladakh that was won by the Bharatiya Janata Party. So it is clear that now Bharatiya Janata Party and the JTN, who is a member of parliament from Ladakh, he has made it very clear to the Gupkar League, especially to the Farooq Abdullah, because it is Farooq Abdullah who day before yesterday held a meeting with the people and the leaders from the Ladakh, saying that they also want to be in Jammu and Kashmir, but that is not something which MP Ladakh has said, and he said please stay out of it, you need not to speak for Ladakh, as people haven't given you the right. We know what to do for us, and yes, we will take up the matter whatever is the issues, but you have been invited for the union territory of Jammu and Kashmir issue and to discuss union territory of Jammu and Kashmir, and you please do that.
Right, absolutely. As you're pointing out, Gursimran, it's, essentially that comment coming ahead of this meeting that's being held by the Prime Minister in the national capital to, in a sense, put across the point of view that, the Gupkar gang, which, of course, has been talking about the, taking back of the abrogation of Article 370, has no right to speak for us. I'm going to come to you in just a bit, but let's listen into that comment that came in earlier from Jamyang Tshering.
माननीय प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने पूरे जम्मू कश्मीर यूनियन टेरिटरी के पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज को दिल्ली बुला के जो बात करने का निर्णय लिया है, मैं यशस्वी प्रधानमंत्री जी को धन्यवाद देता हूं और इस कदम को सराहना करता हूं, क्योंकि प्रधानमंत्री जी का ये विजन है सबका साथ सबका विकास और सबका विश्वास, ये झलकता है। लेकिन साथ ही साथ मैं ये स्पष्ट करना चाहता हूं, क्योंकि मुझे मीडिया के सोर्सेज से ये पता चल रहा है कि गुपकर अलायंस के अपने एजेंडा पॉइंट्स में भी उन्होंने लद्दाख को कश्मीर के साथ फिर से जोड़ने का जो बात आगे रखने जा रहा है, तो मैं इस पे पूरे लद्दाख के बिहार से ये स्पष्ट करना चाहता हूं कि लद्दाख वालों ने गुपकर अलायंस को लद्दाख के बारे में बात करने और लद्दाख की भूमि के बारे में बात करने, लद्दाख के लोगों के बारे में बात करने का कोई हक हमने नहीं दिया है, और गुपकर अलायंस को लद्दाख से दूर दूर तक कोई नाता नहीं है। और तीसरी बात, जब भी लद्दाख के बारे में जिक्र होगा, चर्चा होगा, लद्दाख के भविष्य के बारे में, लद्दाख के लोगों के बारे में, वो लद्दाख के जो इलेक्टेड रिप्रेजेंटेटिव्स यहाँ है, लद्दाख के जो वरिष्ठ नेतागण है, लद्दाख के सोशो रिलीजियस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन से, पॉलिटिकल पार्टी से हम सब विचार विमर्श करके जो लद्दाख के हित में होगा, देश के हित में होगा, वो हम अपने बातें जो है आगे समय आने पे रखेंगे। लिहाजा गुपकार अलायंस को लद्दाख के बारे में कोई बात करने का हमने अधिकार नहीं दिया है, ये मैं